Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my Junk Journal Embellishment Challenge again, and this is number 61 and the prompt is stain, and I'm going to make a duck spot, something like that. Well, it was, well, not hard to find, but I didn't find not much pictures of stains, but I found two, this one and this one, of a stain, and I like them, and I could make my own if I want to with watercolor or something like that. But I also have stamps, stain stamps, and I have papers with, well, stains on it. I like this one. It's really stains. And here is one, and here are stains, like this one too, stains on it. Well, this is a different kind of stains, it's rust. Well, I could maybe use one of those, and I have some, because yeah, it's only stains, so I thought, well, maybe a pen and ink with it. I'm not sure, but then I could, well, maybe I could do something with that. So a duck spot. I don't have a clue. Really, I don't have. Don't know how to start. I have no idea. I have to think, and then for a while what I will do with those things, how I do it, with what, and what I do need more. And maybe I gather some other stuff. I don't know. We'll see. I'll be back. I found my ink and my pens. I have beautiful pen. Maybe I could write something on here and accidentally make a stain. So I thought, well, I could try. Could I? Which one? This one? Just writing some text. I have no idea. I didn't do this for years. Oh, what shall I write? Well, fake text, I think. Not readable. Oh, ships. A stain. Yeah. I would like to write real text, but I don't know what. I don't know what to write on this piece of paper on which I made a stain by mistake. Maybe I could use something of that, I don't know. Oh, ships, another stain. I should clean it, I think. So the paper is dry now, and I'm not sure if I use it or not. I tear it out anyway. So those are stains. Yeah. That's what I have. I'm going to speed up the video and we'll see what's coming out. Enjoy watching.